Dexter, what are you talking about? You looking at it spinning around? Tell me. Oh my goodness. Oh, Lola. Freaking lug. What? Oh my goodness, so much to say. I wish I knew what you were talking about. You already ate and you took a really long nap. And there's Lola. He can't throw the ball, Lola. He can't do it. He doesn't know how. You chewed it up. You chewed it up. The ball. Here.